Hey there, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, we'll see how you can install OWASP Juice Shop on your local Kali machine and practice web attacks on it. If you are already familiar with DVWA, then it is a little bit better than that because here attack does not look obvious. It feels like an real e-commerce site where you can try different web attacks. So let's install this. First of all, open your terminal. The OWASP Juice Shop application is built on Node.js and AngularJS. So first of all, we need to install Node.js and npm so that the application can run. For that, we need to first update our local repository. Then to install Node.js and npm, run command sudo apt install npm Node.js. Then let's check if the package is successfully installed or not. For that, type command node.js -v. -v stands for the version of that particular package that we install. Then npm -v. Now both of the tools are successfully installed. Now let's install OWASP Juice Shop. For that, go to your browser, search for OWASP Juice Shop. Then click on the GitHub repository of OWASP Juice Shop. From here, copy the link. Go back to the terminal, type command git clone, then the git link that you copied. Let's check. You can see that there is a new directory created. Let's go inside that. Then type command npm install. Now after installing all the requirements successfully, let's start the project. So our project is successfully up and it is currently running on port 3000. To access this, go to your browser, search for localhost on port 3000. And you can see that we successfully set up our OWASP Juice Shop, and now you can start your web hacking journey from here by practicing the web attacks practical. So that's it for this video. I hope you like this video, and if you want to see how you can perform attacks here, then let me know in the comment section. I'll make videos on them also. And if you find this video useful, then make sure to subscribe the channel and like the video.